How to use your Keurig HyperChiller. First, take it apart. There's the inside. You've got these stainless steel tumbler pieces. This one, you're gonna fill the water up to the line right there, and then you're gonna pour it into here. Then you are gonna fill this one up to the line and leave it in there. And I'll show you what to do after that. All right, we got our two stainless steel parts filled with water. What we're gonna do now is screw this one to the lid. You can see it right here, just threads in. Okay, we got that one going. Then this, like I said, you're gonna pour it into here. Now you take this empty piece and you screw that to the other part, the threaded part of the top. Okay, got those together. Now you're gonna put this down in here. It's gonna push the water up a little bit. Then you screw this lid on. And then after we get this on, we're gonna stick it in the freezer. Now that your HyperChiller is frozen, you simply brew your coffee and bring it to your HyperChiller and just pour it in. Pour it nice and slow so you don't spill too much. So this coffee that I'm pouring in here is hot, just came from my Keurig. And now that that's in there, you simply just take it and kind of swirl this thing around for a minute. And once you do that, it will be ready to enjoy, nice and cold. I still put ice in mine because I like it extra cold, but it comes out nice and cold. So, super simple process.